welcome back to Mandy's Planet. I know it's been a little while, but welcome back. Today I'm going to be making chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. Here's some of my ingredients. Here's my chicken rice, and I'm going to add in some cream of chicken and herb soup, cream of celery, and then I have another cream of chicken and herb, some saltine crackers, and we have some sharp cheddar cheese, ground ginger, and some garlic powder. And of course our chicken and broccoli you can see there. So here's everything I'm going to be using today. So let's get started. Got our broccoli. Put the water. So you see I'm just gonna warm up the broccoli. It's frozen, so just put some water and butter in. Now I'm getting ready to put the chicken in to cook. So I'm just gonna cook the chicken in a little bit of butter, and my pan is already heated up. And to the chicken I'm just gonna add that ground ginger and garlic powder. So it's time to season the chicken, and you can do different seasoning if you like. You can do salt and pepper and stuff like that. I just decided not to do any salt, and I really don't care for pepper that much unless it's on the food, like after it's already cooked, I guess. Then here's the ground ginger, and you can use the ground ginger, but it does have a strong flavor, just keep that in mind. So here I have my chicken rice. It's rice-a-roni, and I just put some butter down in the pan to get melted. And then what I'm going to do is put these 3 boxes of rice on, and I'm just going to get it toasted up a little bit before I add the water and the chicken seasoning. Just going to mix this around. I'm so excited that it's fall, so I can start making a lot of my favorite casseroles that I like to have during the fall time. So here's our rice, we got our chicken cooking, and our broccoli getting cooked up, warmed up. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onion while the food is cooking. I'm not going to use the whole onion, just part of it. So make sure to peel the skin off of your onion. And I'm just going to keep the onion together at the top right there, like where the little root part is. So it's going to make it easier for me to chop everything, and it's not going to fall apart on me. So I got the onion all chopped up, and next up I'm going to start adding some water into the rice. So my rice is nicely toasted up. And that's 1 cup of water there. I'm going to add some more. Cup. And you never want to put too much water in your rice because then it just starts to get mushy. So I'm going to start adding in my seasoning packs. I mean, everybody knows how to make rice. You just read the back of the box, right? But if you never made it before, here's a little lesson. You're ready to get this nicely mixed up. And then I'm going to put this down on low, and I'll put the lid on and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Let's check on our chicken. So yum! Our chicken is nicely golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the skillet. And it just smells so amazing in here. Garlic.
Looking barefoot?
Yeah. That's how we country girls do it. Chicken looks good, onions look good. Second batch of broccoli. Not broccoli, we have our other batch of chicken there. Gonna check on the broccoli real quick. That's doing good. Rice is nice and plumped up. So once that chicken is ready, that second batch of chicken, then we're going to be ready to put our casserole together. So here we have our chicken and our broccoli, some butter there, and our onions. And then our rice is in the tin. So we're going to get ready to assemble this chicken, broccoli, and rice casserole. So first thing I'm going to do is add in the broccoli, add my onion in. You might think it might seem weird to add the onion, but it gives it a great texture and a great flavor. Here we have our cream of celery soup. Get the cream of celery, and then we're going to put our 2 cream of chicken with herbs. Okay, here's our last can. And then I'm going to add in about half a can of water. Okay, stir everything up good. You want to make sure that everything is coated with the soup. Okay, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to cut up a couple of pieces of chicken just to show you how I'm going to do the size for the chicken. Just a little chunks of chicken. I'm going to cut up 2 more pieces, and then I'll be right back after these 2 pieces are cut up with everything completely cut up and ready to mix. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and add our topping on. So I'm just wondering, what is everybody's favorite casserole dish for the fall? Drop your comments below. So here's all the chicken cut up. We're going to go ahead and mix the chicken in with everything we already have mixed together. This pan is about to overflow. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. So now we're just going to go ahead and flatten it down. And then I have a bag of sharp cheddar cheese, and I am going to use the whole bag on the top. We like cheese. Okay, get everything nicely spread out and even, all the cheese. So next we're going to crumble up this sleeve of not Ritz crackers. I wish I had the Ritz crackers, but they're just saltines. They're nicely crumbled up. This is the easiest way to do it. Just keep it inside the bag. Then all of our crumbled up crackers are just going to go on top of the cheese. It makes a nice, crispy, cheesy, yummy topping. And like I was saying before, you could use the Ritz crackers. That's what I prefer to use, but I didn't have any. And I would like for you to also drop a comment if you can and let me know on your casseroles, do you put crumbled crackers, yes or no? And if you do, what kind do you use? So I have a little bit of butter here that I melted, but I am going to melt a little bit more to put on top of the crackers. So I melted a little bit more butter to go on top. Okay, this is about ready to go into the oven to bake. So I have it set for 400 degrees. And I'm gonna cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. So here it goes in the oven. Okay, I'm back. That was about 40 minutes in the oven. It looks delicious, nicely golden brown. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos like this from Mandy's Planet. Thanks for watching. Bye!